Testing one. Good evening, Vani students. My name is Ram. I am from Vani 82 batch. It's a pleasure to see all of us together under one roof. I would request all the ladies standing behind to come forward. The excitement is on. I must tell you that we should thank Suresh, who is standing on the right hand side, connecting to the videograph worldwide to all the Vani students who cannot be here today, and it is being tested live. It is a live stream. Let's give a big hand. I will be doing an anchoring and meeting each one of you so that each one of you can speak here while it is getting web streamed across. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please come forward because this mic cannot go to the last of the podium. Please do come forward. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ram from Vani 82. It's a pleasure to have the entire Vani students and the entire Vani family being telecast live globally. Suresh, we have tested this and it is going, thanks to Suresh.
Student, Suresh, I met Daddy today morning and he told me about you, but I didn't know that I'll meet you here. His sister Anita was also in my class. A little naughty boy. Anita, very sweet. Yes, I have punished you, Anita. Suresh, but such a sweet child today. Good, good. A live show, huh? Many of our 85 onwards will know Naina Miss voice.
This is for all the worldwide students. You spoke to Naina madam now, who is very vibrant in the school today. That's what I understood. Everybody knows S. Balu, who is very popular in Vani Vidyalaya. Balu, we are webcasting live, all yours, to all the Vani 82 batch.
Dear friends, it's a pleasure to be here and to be with the alumni of Vani. Vani 82 has been a vibrant group for the last couple of years. But it's nice to see even folks from across the other years. And this is like, it's a very nostalgic feeling out here. Being with, it's something like coming home. It's the institution that probably instilled value in us. It's something like going back to your own mom at the end of the day. It's a nice feeling, I can't express it in words. So the next an hour or so, whenever we're going to be together, enjoy every moment of it. And it's going to stay forever. And I think it's probably just the beginning of a great journey for us. And as Matangi was telling me, like, they set up the alumni, which obviously we will be taking it forward. And more importantly, to all of us, we need to give back to what this alma mater has given us. And I think we will make every possible attempt to make that happen. So enjoy the day and all the best.
Thank you, Balu. I must take it further to 1967 batch.
Good evening, friends. My name is C. R. Ramakrishnan. I was a student of 1966-67 batch. And to be frank, in my entire family were students of this. My siblings, my elder sister, and all my brothers and sisters, besides my own daughter, passed through Vani Vidyalaya. I am very much proud to be a Vanian, ex-Vanian, to be present. Thank you very much.
It's really a pleasure to have every Vani students to be in this podium, in this forum. I would like to introduce few of the other friends.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramnath. I am from the 1979 batch. I hope my other batchmates also come in very soon, because sitting next to me is another friend of mine, batchmate Kumar Ramaswamy, and I will hand over the mic to Kumar to say a few words. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am from Bani 79 batch. Nice feeling to be back. I am regularly in touch with the school because being a localite, I am part of the school activities and the Samaj activities which we undertake regularly. And nice feeling to be here. As Ramnathan has said, that there's a lot that we need to do to give back to the school, and we will in our own small way do what best is possible for the school. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to have everybody together. I'm going back again to a mix of various batches. Vani 82 seems to be more vibrant across, and I have with me Shankar Narayan and Ananta.
Hello, my name is Shankar Narayan. I am from 1982 batch. This is a very good occasion, as it is today is the Diamond Jubilee year, and we are all the diamond people here. So that is what I can say about it. And it gives me very pleasure, because our entire family, myself, my wife and my child, all are from the Vani school only. And this is a very good school, and this gives a very good platform. And my son, right now, he has completed his SSC from this school and scored 93% here. And now is in Mulund College of Commerce. He will be appearing his final year BCom next year. So with this, I am handing over this mic to my friend, Mr. Anantaraman.
Hello, myself, Anantaraman Venkatachalam. I am also of the 1982 batch. Actually, we had two Anantaramans in the same division. And the amazing coincidences, his father's name was also Venkatachalam. My father's name was also Venkatachalam. So there used to be called one, I used to be two. So I think presently he is not there. The other Anantaraman is not there today. So nice feeling to be here after a long time. So we are all basically staying in Mulund, so we used to come here regularly for some programs. But this sort of a program, basically this alumni meet, I think first time has been organized here. As Bala said, I think we should also do something for the school, and we are ready for that. Whatever the school wants it in terms of any financial help, physical help, anything is there, we are ready to do that. And I think this gets carried forward, and I think probably the Diamond Jubilee will be held somewhat in the next year, January or February. So we are all ready for that. We are ready to do anything for the school. Thank you.
Yeah, once again, I will give it to Sridhar.
Good evening. Vani Vidyalaya ki jai ho. I passed out in 1977. It's, it seems ages, but still the same Vani stands tall as previously Vani used to. My first son passed SSC last year, the second one is on the road. Good, we are doing a great job. Diamond Jubilee. Next we look for 75 and then 100. God bless Vani Vidyalaya.
I would like to pass on this to some more staff of Vani. We have spoken to various students now. All of us are together, some more staff members. You must be knowing Shukla sir. You know, it's a big applause to Shukla sir.
हेलो मैं शुक्ला सर 1986 में ज्वाइन किया वानी विद्यालय। आप लोग उस समय निकल चुके थे, 85 बैच 82 बैच सब निकल गए थे। फिर भी बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सब से मिल करके। आज भी बचपन की यादें आप लोग सबके साथ हैं, क्योंकि बचपन कभी भूलता नहीं है। आगे सब कुछ भूल जाता है, लेकिन बचपन की यादें बार बार आती हैं, और जब जब आती हैं तब तब सताती तो हैं, लेकिन बड़ा मजा आता है। इसलिए मेरी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आप सबको। डायमंड जुबली में एक एक डायमंड के रूप में आप सब आए हैं। आप सबका हार्दिक, मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। साथ ही साथ हम सब साथ साथ इस तरह चलेंगे तो वानी शायद बहुत आगे जाएगा, बहुत आगे जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Shukla sir. All my Vani friends, you will speak to Jadhav sir, Vice Principal, Junior College.
Good evening, everybody. From South Indian organization, Vani Vidyalaya Junior College, we welcome all the ex-students of Vani. I have an immense pleasure welcoming you. I joined in Vani Vidyalaya since 27th July 1987. Before that, I think so, this batch 1966 to 1985. So I was not there, but even then, very few organizations, ex-students of different schools, having commitment, dedication towards the school, and that is why nowadays the live program, the Vani pass-out students throughout the world, and lot of work Mr. Radhakrishnan Pillai and his entire team, credit goes to his entire team, connecting the people throughout the world. Now 60 years, 75 years, 100 years, we are all here for the further progress of SIO Vani Vidyalaya Junior College. Thank you.
Every one of you, all of us must have seen the elections in the last 1.5 months back, where people must have seen the numbers, voting, and so on and so on. So finally, it was most of the data was based on analytics and the numbers. Let me just quickly share with you while I was talking. I got a message that 200 Vani students are currently seeing live across 7 countries. Thanks to Suresh. While the statistics is making us, giving a cold spine, I could see a lot of more students coming in as we speak. I would request all the staff and the students, please come forward so that, the auditorium is full. It's being shown live. I would like to, as Jadhav sir was speaking, I would like to introduce couple of senior people who just joined us in. They are from 75 batch, 75 batch, right? We have all of us senior people from 67 onwards. That's a huge success, I must say. I would like to have an elderly statesman from 75 batch.
Good evening, everybody. Hi, my name is Arun Iyer, and my friend is also Arun Kumar. We both are from the same batch. And he studied with my sister. She was the last batch of the SSC, and I was the first batch of the 12th standard that we started. There are a lot of memories, not that, my parents came to Mulund in 51. And like when they found one of the founding fathers during this time, during their Diwali, they would get bonus. So in that bonus, one bench would be for the school. That was like, buying, new clothes and stuff like that. That is the kind of emotions we have. My son is also passed out here from about 88 batch. He's also here. Thank you. It's nice to be here. And I look forward to seeing more of people coming here. And any kind of help that is required, I'm always available for the school. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Arun. Mr. Arun.
It's okay. Same thing I do. Always. It's okay.
There are few more who have joined us while we were getting ready for the big program.
Hi, I'm Ganesh Balasubramanian from the 1983 batch. It's more than 30 years now, but when you look back, it doesn't seem to be so long ago that we passed out. And a lot of fond memories from here. And all the best to the SIL. I'm sure it will, over the years to come, it will still have a lot of things to prove and have a lot of success.
A very good evening, all of you. My name is Gopal Krishnan. I passed out of this great institution in probably 67th batch, from correct, 1967. Probably I was the second batch of Vani Vidyalaya that produced the SSC students. And I think that was the time when Lalita Sharma was the principal. And we had great teachers, to name a few of them, like Elikuti Chako and maybe John and Eliamma. Then we had Subaya, probably from I think he's no more. Kamble was there as a Hindi teacher, probably he's also no more. Of course, we had a great time during those days. And that is probably the second batch of Vani Vidyalaya. And in fact, my colleague, ex-colleague Ramakrishna would endorse me that we had a wonderful time. Yes, thereafter we have all grown, the institution has grown. And as a matter of interest, when you go to the numbers of 200 people seeing this program live, what interests me is how many of them are of this particular, batch, 67, 68. Is it possible for us to find out how many people are in that, area?
It's a very tough challenge, and while I do the slice and dice, I could see that it varies from 1970 to 1985. The number of students who are streaming in, I could see that there are about, for Vani 82, there are about 44 members. Out of that, there are about 25 members who are already seeing it. And balance 10 members will be waking up because they're all in US. It's 5:30 in the morning now. So they promised me that they will wake up early and then get into the stream. So I could see that 15 to 20 students are from Vani students, 82 batch. There are some Vani 79 and 80 students who are already web streaming. There are about 20 of them. So I could see that about 50% are from 77 to 83 batch.
Well, I think a couple of days back I had the privilege of being here for the launch of the Alumni Association, and that is a wonderful situation that we were all in. Great to be here, and to tell you briefly what I am today, that will be of some interest to my batchmates or the schoolmates of that era. I passed out of Vani Vidyalaya in 67. I did my BSc in SIS college thereafter that. did my post-graduation in VJTI, and then I did my MBA. Then, of course, started working for Merck. I was there in Merck as the marketing manager for 16 years, and then a lot of companies thereafter, and then ultimately I'm on my own. I'm a business consultant for the healthcare and personal care industry. From the year 2000, I'm on my own. And, well, one cannot forget the foundation. See, why we are all here? We are all here because of the foundation that has been given to us. And the foundation is very strong. And that is why we have a special love for the foundation. Just as the mother nurtures the child and brings it to a level of acceptance to the world, we find, we are very sure that your first school wherein you put your, foot in and come out with, that is the school that lays the great foundation for all of us. And we just keep building on that foundation to what we are today. It's a proud moment to be here, and I can assure you that it's not enough to be only proud. That's a great feeling which all of us have. But what makes you more proud is how we can take this institution further from what it was yesterday, from what it is today, and we should have a vision. And I think that's the vision that's what we are planning today. Wish you all the best, and I'm sure we will stand by that. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a very, very encouraging and enthusiastic speech, and it really increases the confidence that all of us have with the culture and the growth that Vani has produced. Right? And your speech is really, really inspiring. While I speak, there are few lady staff that we cannot afford to ignore of Vani. I would like to have everybody on so that worldwide students can see. They may not, recognize, but then it's all about Vani family.
Good evening to one and all. Myself, I am Akshara Pradhan, and I am into Vani since from last 2 years. I teach biology, and what else I can tell about so many dignitaries are sitting over here, like all, I'll just say and finish my speech with all the best to them. What else I can do? Because they have passed out since so long when I was not even born also. So all the very best to you, and thank you.
I would like to give to the senior most staff members here.
Good evening. I don't know what to say, but I'm so happy to be here after so many years. I'm from 1972 batch. She was my classmate. Our mother was a clerk. Say your name.
I'm Rajeshwari. Even my mother was working here for 26 long years.
Say your mother's name.
My mother, C.R. Lakshmi.
Her daughter. And our elder sister was also my classmate, 1972 batch. I can never forget the school days. Really, my teachers. Yeah, of course. Because sometimes we meet. Because she's in Mulund, I'm in Pandup, so we meet. I remember very well, my teachers who have given me a lot of foundation to me. Still I remember Vasanta teacher, who should teach geography. And she used to come to the class. Still I remember, in the next building, second floor. And she used to come with a map or this globe. Always with a map. She will never enter without the map. Still I remember very well. Where is America, where is California, everything, Europe, all those things. With the map she used to teach. I can never forget. Yeah, she used to ask us to this thing and then tell us to point out which country, all those things. So geography was I had a very good foundation. And Gomati teacher and Anandam Parashuraman teacher used to teach me mathematics. And my mathematics was strong because she was very strict teacher. And I also became a mathematics teacher for the past 25 years. And my students, they were telling me, I used to meet now Mulund mein, the market and all, I used to meet some of the students. I was in Mulund High School, private school. But the students still remember, Miss, you were very, very strict. And because of that, we have become a mathematics professors. I'm really happy. Sarojini teacher, Sarojini Nair, Usha Nagar. I used to, in SSC, those days, no, there were no classes and tuitions. And I used to go to Sarojini Nair teacher's house in Usha Nagar during SSC exam. And I remember very well, just before exam, no mathematics exam, I remember Sarojini Nair teacher's house, few students used to go together, and in our house, I remember still now, something in 10th or 12th floor in Usha Nagar, we used to teach on the ground, and she used to teach us mathematics. And Anandam Parshuraman also used to tell, any problem is there, you come to my house. That can never be heard in this thing, in this age, in this. Those days, 1972, 71. So beautiful memories. So many things. Thank you all so much.
Thank you, ma'am. You really touched the nostalgic feelings. I can remember when I was teaching my daughter the other day. This was about 3 years back. Currently, she is doing her first year final exam in medical physiotherapy in MGM Medical. So I was teaching her. So she asked me, Daddy, how do you know this? I said, this is fundamental. Because I know Ananda Paramahansan teacher used to teach me algebra. Yesterday I was seeing 5th A and 10th A class. So in 10th A, I saw the formula, sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta, whatever which was written. I can never forget the kind of learnings that has been taught, right? You said about Vasanta Ishwar, geography, fantastic. Kaimal teacher, amazing. Lysama John teacher, and one can, Balu and Shankar and all yours will not forget. We can never forget Balaya sir, right? We can never forget Kamble sir, okay? And PT sir, Mane sir, I remember 1982 batch being vibrant here. 1982 batch were vibrant in those days also. I remember I don't know now, the curriculum, the PT session used to be on Saturday morning. In this ground, where all the dust-filled ground, and we used to sit from morning 7:30, and when we used to sit and do the exercise, we used to do a lot of fun, and we used to be extremely naughty, and we used to make some noise. While I speak, I would like to introduce 1966 batch students who had just come in. I was never born when they graduated. I would like to introduce them to you over the global worldwide. I was never born.
Good evening. My name is Mrs. Charumati Kanapa. I was a retired now teacher, primary school teacher. I was working in Ghatkopar, private aided school. And here in this Vani Vidyalaya, I was a very famous sports girl. Running race and Coco and this, many. That sir's name also I forgot now. That Nagwekar sir, and I was coming from Chembur to Vani Vidyalaya morning section. I used to come early, half an hour before. I used to come, the school used to start. Then clean the ground and all. पत्थर सब निकालते थे हम लोग, मालूम है ना? पत्थर सब निकालने का, ये करना, क्लीनिंग करो पहला, फिर स्पोर्ट्स में खेलने का. हाँ, वाटरिंग द ग्राउंड, वो सब करते थे हम लोग. याद है मेरे को बहुत स्पोर्ट्स का, ये बहुत. और वो आरपीएफ का ग्राउंड में सब स्पोर्ट्स होता था, मालूम है ना? फाइनल स्पोर्ट्स. तो बहुत अच्छा, वो
sports girl.
While I introduced everybody, you were talking to a few students from 1966 where I was not even born. Okay? I would like to introduce, this crowd is swelling. I must say to everybody, as we speak, we have 300 students across 8 countries watching this live. To all the worldwide friends and everybody here, I see Jayanti here walking from 1982 batch. Welcome, Jayanti. Right? Jayanti, all yours. Right? I would like to introduce few students.
Hello everybody, I am Jayaraman from 75 batch. We are represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons as of now. Hope so we expect somebody more.
Dear friends, we would like to park this anchoring as the dignitaries have arrived now. We would like to start on with this session in another few minutes, and then we'll, as the show goes on, we'll continue.
Good evening. The dignitaries have arrived. I would like all of you to please stand up. I would like sit down. Before we begin, I would like Madam Principal Dr. Dolly Henry to lead the dignitaries onto the dais. Good evening. I'm indeed elated at this large turnout of the school alumni. It seems another spring has arrived, bringing forth flowers that have bloomed in great abundance. It gives me immense joy and pleasure to welcome each of you assembled here. Let me roll out the red carpet for our chief guest, Mr. Jay Shankar. A hearty welcome to you, sir. Let me extend a warm and hearty welcome to the lifeblood of this institution, the President of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, the Principal, Dr. Dolly Henry, and the Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan. It is my pleasure to greet and welcome the Vice Principal of Junior College, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, the AHM of Secondary Section, Mrs. Naina Rodrigues, Supervisors, Mrs. Janaki Iyer and Mr. Ashok Shukla, the Primary Head, Mrs. Sampurnam, and all the teachers of the primary, secondary, and the junior college sections. I'm extremely honored to have the chance to extend a warm and hearty welcome to the batch of Vani students from the year 1966 to 1985. You will find life is yet so full of happy memories and good anticipations. It's now time to honor and express our gratitude to the dignitaries. 4. Flowers whisper the beauty of the world. And here in Vani, we say it all with flowers. I now request the students to present a bouquet to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Jaishankar. The President of SIU, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan. The Principal, Dr. Dolly Henry. And the Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan. And now, they are special, notable, and exceptional. They are the first batch of Vani 1966. They have set the wheels of this great institution in motion. Here's to felicitating the batch of 1966. I now request the President of SIU, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, to felicitate the batch of 1966. The batch of 1966 can march to the front. Thank you, sir. I now request Mrs. Lalita Ravikumar to take over.
Thank you, Kalyani. It is rightly said, great minds have purpose, others have wishes. Good evening to one and all. Tony Dongi has said, the secret to success is good leadership. Good leadership is all about making your team members better. This saying holds true for our Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry. An eminent, radiant, highly challenging personality has been proved through her various achievements. Now, I would request our Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, to voice her thoughts on this occasion.
Good morning. Should I say good evening? So used to saying it good morning. And good evening, one and all, especially for the Vani alumni meet for the batches from 1966 to 1985. Our chief guest, Mr. Jaishankar, the president of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, our honorary secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, other members of the managing committee, vice principal of junior college, Mr. Jadhav, AHM of our secondary, Mrs. Naina, our supervisors, Mrs. Janki and Mr. Shukla, and our head teacher from pre-primary and primary, Mrs. Sampurnam. And all you Vanians, I should say Vanians only for you all, because you once a Vanian, always a Vanian. And I believe we are also going live, so a big hi to everybody who's watching us live across the globe. You know, it's with mixed feelings I'm standing here, especially when I saw the felicitation of the first batch of 1966 students who passed out 96. The year you left Vani Vidyalaya and finished with your schooling. I started my schooling as a 3-year-old. So that was one mixed feeling. And the other was actually when I saw amongst the audience here a number of the batch that sits here already part of Vani Vidyalaya. We have some teachers from this batch. We have our admin staff from the secondary, Mrs. Janki. You can stand up, Janki. We have our head teacher, Mrs. Sampurnam. We have some teachers. We have some people in our office staff. And of course, we have the wife of the president of SIO, Mrs. Srinivasan. Also an ex-Vanian. So it's really a great delight to stand here and welcome all of you to the alumni meet. Winston Churchill said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." And these words ring in my mind so many times. I'm reminded of a story I heard some time back, and it was about 100 years ago. A very prominent man was reading the morning newspaper, and much to his horror and surprise, he saw his name in the obituary column. That's the column where the names of the dead go up. And he was absolutely stunned that his name is in the obituary column. And he knew that there was some mistake that the newspapers had done. It was his brother who had passed away, but his name showed up in the obituary column. He just somehow picked himself up from that dilemma, thinking, am I alive and kicking or dead and gone? But he just told himself, no, I'm alive. And the next thing he wanted to do was to see, what do other people think of me? Of course, now he's dead to the world. And then he started reading those articles. And some of the headings of that article in the newspaper that came that day was, "The Dynamite King dies." Yet another article, "The Merchant of Death is dead." And the third one went on to say, "The man who killed people as fast as they could." And this man was stunned. Here this man thought he was a notable personality because he was actually a very eminent chemist, an engineer, an inventor, and he was the one actually who invented the dynamite that was used during the Second World War. And later on, of course, it was used for mining and transport networks. But he was devastated because that's what people associated him with, the Merchant of Death. That evening he told himself, I don't want people to remember me with somebody associated with death. I want to be remembered for something more than that. It has to be something more than that. That evening, he just, without telling his friends or family, he just bequeathed almost all of his bulk of his wealth and his estate to a series of awards called the Nobel Awards. And of course, this man is none other than the Dynamite King, Dr. Alfred Nobel. Dear Vanians, you would know the Nobel Prizes, but did you know this was the story of the man behind the Nobel Prizes? The Nobel Prizes are awarded only to eminent personalities who make a positive contribution, maybe in sciences or the literary works, or of course, which is most notably known, is the Peace Awards. Dear Vanians, I wonder whether this stirs something in you. What is the legacy you leave behind? What would you like other people to remember you for? What is it that you could do for your alma mater, Vani Vidyalaya? We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. With these words, let me warmly once again welcome all of you to the alumni meet this evening. God bless you. Have a great day and a great time. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. The real leader has
no need to lead. He is content to point the way. The real leader has no need to lead. He is content to point the way, said by Henry Miller. This quote perfectly fits our President of SIO Management, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the pillar of this institution, always concerned about the welfare of students' community. He is the vital link between the school and the society. Now, I request our President of SIO Management, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, to brief the audience about the history of this institution.
Today's chief guest of the day, Mr. Jayashankar, our principal, Dr. Ms. Dolly Henry, Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, my colleagues, our Vice Principal, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, AHM, Ms. Naina Rodriguez, Supervisor Samburnam, Supervisor Ms. Janagi, and Primary Head Mr. Samburnam, Mr. Shukla sir, and teachers, and my dear Vani alumni. Good evening to all of you. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure to be here on this occasion to address you all on this joyous occasion. The entire atmosphere is charged with full of joy and energy as we are all ready to help us in conducting the Diamond Jubilee celebrations in a grand manner. On this occasion, on this particular day, I have been assigned to tell you something about the history of this great institution. It was in 1955, a group of visionaries started South Indian organization. That is starting point 1955. And in 1956, that was with the purpose of promoting education. The objective was promoting education. And in 1956, we started Vani Vidyalaya. The starting point of Vani Vidyalaya with two divisions, primary, with 27 students. That was the beginning of it. From there, in 1959, we have come up to 5th standard. That was primary, and in the secondary, that is 1961, we started there because most students we start 2 shifts for accommodating primary and secondary 2 shifts. And that was the beginning of the secondary. And in 1963, we have got the 9th standard, 1963. There, on that particular day, the inauguration for our building was made by the then Chief Minister Kannamwar of Maharashtra. That was inaugurated in 1963. And in 1964, we have got the SSC starting, and in 1966, the first batch of SSC appeared, and we got 88% success. In the first batch of SSC, we got 88% success. In the subsequent year, it was 96%. From there onwards, we were not seeing behind at all. We were seeing forward only, and our result has been excellent all these years so far as SSC is concerned. Wonderful results. A good number of students have been passing with distinction, and many of our students have gone abroad also. That was our history. In this particular year, also we got 100% success in SSC. That was so far SSC is concerned. Apart from that, our school got top in 1974 and in 1981 consecutively in Malayalam and science in the whole of Maharashtra. That was also an achievement. And in the year 1991, our school has been awarded the best school so far as science, T-Ward science exhibition is concerned. Best School Award, the subject was religion and home. That was the subject in that particular period. And in the 1993, we conducted the science exhibition here also, and now the last year also we have conducted here. And 1975, we started junior college also, and infrastructure has been increased like anything. And in the history of Vani Vidyalaya, if I remember correct, this is the first year we are getting 100% success in commerce faculty. Although we have been getting very good percentage of success in science stream, this is the first time we are getting a very good percentage. I should say that all these great achievements could be made possible only because of strenuous efforts put in by our students, coupled with the proper guidelines given by our able and efficient teachers under the leadership of our principal, Dr. Dolly Henry. This is the short structure of our this thing. Apart from that, we are also not lagging behind in the extracurricular activities. In today's world of international interdependence, when science and technology have been reached the zenith of its glory, it is absolutely necessary that we have to go with the times. With that intention in mind, we started computerizing also of the first standard itself, so that computer education also is there, also the infrastructure also is there. So to say that we have been well equipped with all facilities so far as education is concerned. I must say that I am lucky that because my wife and my children and my son-in-law all are the Vani students. That is the credit of Vani Vidyalaya. So, dear friends, I should say you are all lucky, and I am very, very happy to see you and such a good person to come over here. This particular year, we are going to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee celebration in a grand manner. First of all, I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude, my deep sense of appreciation for the best efforts put in by you all in arranging this meeting in such a manner so that we can do collectively and wonderfully we can do well this Diamond Jubilee celebration in the best manner possible. I have chalked out some of the programs also. I will be informing you when time's on, because you should not stop with this alumni meeting itself. There are many other programs we are going to have in the future also. This 2014-15 should be a memorable year so far as Vani Vidyalaya is concerned. That is what we want, because we have chalked out many programs. This Diamond Jubilee celebration we started on the 7th of June with the Shashtapdurti, the 60th year celebration of Vani Vidyalaya. That was the puja, the traditional manner we started. Then on the 16th of June, we got a guest lecture by Dr. Shanti for teaching staff. And today, on the 22nd June, we are having the alumni meet 6 p.m. The batch from 1966 to 85 batch. And we will have the next meeting of the alumni on 6th of July. That is our program. We have got talked about very many programs. I'll just read out so that you can guess. And I'll make a list of what is and circulate to all you. Whenever possible, you must be present here and help us also. And I would also request you to conduct 1 or 2 programs by alumni also, so that rather than coming and speaking like this, you will also be more involved with us. That will be helpful to us also. Our next program is on the 6th of July, we will have a medical camp. And then we will have a workshop for students on standard 10. Then on 3rd August, devotional songs by Mr. Sri Ramanathan. And 30th, 2014 August, seminar for students of standard 12. Then on 31st August, we will have the Pattimantra in Tamil by the Bombay Tamil Sangam. And on the 14th, 2014, we are having a lecture on the role of religion in the scientific world. That will be by Dr. Prakash Palastekar. And then there will be orchestra, multilingual, that is Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi and all those things. And the grand finale will be on 3 days at Kalidas Hall. All these is only tentative program I'm telling. and this will be finalized in a week's time and will be circulated to you all. And I should see that all of you are coming and attending and helping us in all the ways, just like the family. We are all now one family, one family. So there is no doubt about it. So we have to be always with us and see that this particular year will be a red letter day in the history of Vani Vidyalaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It is rightly said, a man with a positive attitude is like a fruit of all the seasons. A man with a positive attitude is like a fruit of all the seasons. With a brightly beaming smile, humility is goodly grace, always shouldering responsibilities. That is our Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan. He is a gem of person, humble, simple, easily accessible, and ready to assist at any time. I would request you, sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening to all of you. Our Chief Guest, Mr. Jai Shankar, President Sir, Madam Principal Dr. Dolly Henry, Vice Principal Ashok Jadhav Sir, Mrs. Naina Rodriguez, our AHM, and our supervisors, Janaki teacher and Shuklaji, head teacher of primary section and pre-primary section, Mrs. Sampurnam Madam, all our respected teachers, my colleagues in the managing committee, all our distinguished Vanians. Thank you for all coming today to join us in the alumni meet. It is amazing to note that we were having, can we have the Diamond Jubilee in a very successful manner? Now I'm sure, not only that it's Diamond Jubilee, this institution will definitely celebrate to the Platinum Jubilee, also the centenary celebration, the support given by all of you. Many of you are extending your help by way of endowments and scholarships to the deserving students, which we are dispersing. All the parents are really very happy to accept their scholarship from our institution. It is a great task, and we are proud and very proud moment for all of us to be with you today. And thank you once again for all the support. I hope you will continue to support celebrate our Diamond Jubilee celebrations in the years to come. Now, as our President said, the year-long program is awaited, and we will be giving you informed. Kindly make it convenient to participate in all the functions. Guide us how to go about all in the future also. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. It's so rightly said. When the going gets tough, only the tough get going. Very apt for our ex-student, Mr. Jai Shankar. His schooling from Vani Vidyalaya, he graduated in NCC, passed Chartered Accountancy, and went on to pass the final exam of Company Secretaries of India. Having worked in Indian Airlines, he also set up a manufacturing unit in Rabale, MIDC. He is presently working as a Chief Executive Officer with Max Group. That is Mr. Jai Shankar. I request Mr. Jai Shankar to address the gathering.
Good evening. President, Mr. President, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, Mr. Ramakrishnan, the Secretary, Principal Dr. Dolly Henry, the Vice Principal, and the teachers of the school, and our alumni friends, Vanians. Good evening, all of you. This is indeed a great pleasure to be here with you all. As there can be a few honor than for an old boy to be invited as a chief guest. for the function. I am indeed very overwhelmed and thank the SIO for having given me this opportunity and other members for this considerable honor. I want to start by paying tribute to the school and all the teachers who embedded in me that gave me a start in my life. As it is said, it is well begun is half done. The school lays the foundation in everyone's life. The concept of education is that it should help formation of character, expansion of the intellect, and development of a positive view in life. It is this main man-making character which is a basic object of education. Vani Vidyalaya has been established in the year 1956 by SIO very thoughtfully for an overall growth of a child and to integrate the academic excellence with personality development. A model school should be a mirror of the child's personality, wherein education should constitute the inner beauty. Vani Vidyalaya understands, strives to identify and nurture innate talent and abilities, experimentation and creativity through interactive and scientifically developed activities, traditional values with modern knowledge and information for the all-round development of the students without any discrimination or prejudices are the basic objectives of quality education. I am assured that these ideas form the core contents in educational pattern of the school which prepares the young generation to become leaders in whatever careers they choose and to contribute positively towards self, family, society, nation, and the entire world. I am sure many of us, many of our past students are in various disciplines, are excelling in all over the world, be it medicine, engineering, commerce, or spiritual, and so on. I am pleased to note that Vani understands the need for effective communication and therefore offers intensive coaching in both oral and written communication skills. This helps in expressing ideas clearly and effectively. Other activities like group discussions, elocutions are conducted for the personality development of the students. Finally, the work of art helps one to relate to the world. Vani lets students kindle the fire of creativity in them, who are motivated to participate and display their talents in inter-school and various other competitions. Vani provides for their students to express and hone their skill and talent in a range of activities like music, art, dance, drama, etc. Students need some time to relax and rejuvenate. This helps in learning better and also keeps the mind and body healthy. This is done through sports and games. They help in keep the body fit and provide mental relaxation. I joined the school in 1967 when it was a small shed, and now from then on it has grown leaps and bounds due to the relentless, dedicated efforts of all the members of the SIO, the principal, the teachers, and they have done excellent, the school has achieved excellent results also. The school has been consistent in achieving 100% results in the exams, which is a great achievement. And finally, I appeal to all of us, the students, ex-students of Vani Vidyalaya, to make this diamond Jubilee program, a grand success which has been organized by the SIO, and let us all contribute to the success of these programs. Whatever best possible, we communicate with all the ex-students and ensure that the program is a grand success. This is, in one way, I consider it as an opportunity to return to the school what it has bestowed on us. In a true sense, this is a Guru Dakshina that we can offer. With these words, I conclude my speech, and thank you once again for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The luster of magnificence will dwell only with the dignity of laboriousness. This so befits Radha Krishnan Pillai. He is the founder director of Chanakya Institute of Public Leadership. He is a management consultant from the International Institute of Management Consultant. He has represented India in various national and international conferences. He is a well-known management speaker, trainer, author, and consultant. Receiving awards, his second nature. Proclaimed the best professor in philosophy. I now request Radhakrishnan Pillai to please address the gathering.
Respected respected dignitaries on the dais, President sir, Secretary sir, Shankar sir, and Dolly madam. It's interesting for an ex-student to speak to ex-students who would love to be called boys and girls. Because when we walk through these corridors, and many of them will be coming back for so many years, we can't visualize ourselves as oldies for 50 years, 40 years, We look at the little child for whom that school was really big. And we come back and say, is the school really small? This is the first feeling that I got when I came here after many years. And that time, I realized that, yes, we have grown. But I think when we walk the same corridors, when we look at the same classrooms, look at the same benches, look at the same teachers, you say, oh, is this the place that made me what I am? And then one little small bell rings in your heart and saying that, okay, what I have done for Vani. Vani has done so much for me. And then you get into a reflection mode. And that's where I want to actually speak not only about what Vani has done for us, but probably what we can do for Vani, right? So my agenda, as Dolly ma'am rightly put on, you have to speak about the Vani Alumni Center. I'm going to actually talk about a concept which has been taking shape by all of us, and I include myself, and we want you to join a kind of a revolution that has started within Vani. And I'm going to tell you some statistics, which will say, really it's happening in Vani? So let me go back and say that it so happened that, Mulund has grown, some schools have closed down, many new schools have come in. And I remember myself from the 1990 batch, I did not have a choice to be put in Vani because my father and mother decided it, right? But today many of us have choice whether to put our children into Vani or no. And it's painful to tell you many parents don't. Because of so many reasons. And what are the reasons? Perception. I've been a management consultant and a professor and all that, but I'm telling you, sometimes perception becomes reality, and reality is not known to the world. So, I used to come for school reunions, and all of us meet. I'm sure many of you, even if it's 1 or 2 or 3 people or 10 people, they're meeting. But the question remains is that when we make choices with Vani for this generation, I'm not sure, is Vani really a priority? Because there are so many things, I will not go to say it's right or wrong. But you know what happened? When I came for the first reunion myself, it was organized by CR sir, where is he?
SCR is there, then Sridhar sir is there, then we have Rajesh. These people have been doing so much work, getting us together. I just came in like one of you sitting over here. And of course, we had this dynamic girl, Madangi. So they were all doing something. Where is Madangi? And used to get... I think everybody knows her, right? Yeah, she's the face. So all of them used to do something, and I used to get calls from Madangi. You may not be aware of it. Radha, why are you going to come for this? Who is this Madangi? Okay. I'll tell you. It so happened that a choice came in my life with my wife, who is not from Mulund, not from Vani. Where do I put my daughter? And then, it's not easy choice, and many of you know this. Saying that, the best of the schools around, Vani. Really? That time I said, okay, as a parent, I have 50% of the decision, right? Remaining 50% I can't. Actually speaking with the mother, the 90% decision lies on her, right? Father is like, okay. But then I sat down with myself and I said, okay, let me assess Vani as it is. Instead of getting emotionally connected to that Vani, let me ask out what is Vani 20 years from now. Then, it's an amazing fact. I'm going to show you some statistics of what Vani is.
We'll just take up. What is your DG now? This is my continue.
Getting streaming होएगा, road is done.